Okay, welcome to the series where I teach you how to make money with faceless automation. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create faceless animations like Zack D films or mystery shorts or history channels. So, we are going to go in step by step process on how to make a faceless YouTube video. So, first off, almost I'll open my YouTube channel and show you a few faceless videos I've made. That is a reference. So I know normally people don't show you the niche that's working. I just was checking how to work out. I quit. It's not monetized. It's not having more than 1,000 subscribers. And if you think or want those who have the 1,000 subs, then you can quit or leave the video now, because those videos, those gurus, they are not realistic. They keep lying to you. They never tell you one single truth, trust me. So here is a mystery shots. You can see the branding, everything made by me. Mystery in 1 minute. That is classic. That looks beautiful, aside the subscriber count, which looks horrible. Everything looks great. The branding, the icon, and I went with short form. You can see the description and the videos, and I put in a transparent logo on it. So my first video I made was the video about the Statue of Liberty. We got 1.2 thousand views for first video. Fair play. So let's see how this video is. So for some reason the video has turned this way, that way. So I'll be editing that part section of the video and I'll place it in my this thing. Yeah. So I'll edit that part of the video. My screen just keeps flipping, so I had to come back. So it all comes down to the first thing is the concept. Now let's start off with my niche. I prefer it's history niche or storytelling niche. I prefer history. History never gets old. You can have more. History is always yesterday. So anything that happened yesterday, you could cover it up as history, or perhaps things, historic events, and lot stuff. So we first and foremost, you go to Chat GPT. All right, I'm gonna give you every single thing. Stay around. So when you go to Chat GPT, you are going to tell Chat GPT what I'm about to say. Sorry, I got some interruption. Stop. So let's go. Boom. There we go. You don't need to do anything extra. Follow me. Follow me. You create some perfect video. Alright. Let me close my face. Yeah, my face looks big. Alright, there we go. So there we have it. Oh, he gave out my name, ChatGPT. Do not joke with me. Mystery is already taken by me. So we have hidden pages, we have past uncovered, we have history rewritten, and we have echoes of time. And then ChatGPT will tell you my top two mystery and hidden pages. Yeah, mystery was always perfect. Oh, excuse me. Oh. This video is not edited and unfiltered as well. Now the thing is, you want to go on YouTube, search up the name, and try to make your name more unique or less likely to be in common with a popular page, so that you could compete with those who are not serious with their channels. If someone with 2 million subscribers is having the same name, just change it to someone with 1,000 subscribers. Get, but means you're not gonna get more unique name unless it's a made up word. So the channel description, mission to tell history like a story, cinematic, blah blah blah. What makes your channel different? Not boring classroom history, not long. Yeah, it's not boring, and storytelling, visuals, mystery. Think Netflix not So he said think and feel like a Netflix oh goodness me, like a Netflix documentary meets YouTube stuff. What the hell? It's like bringing a Netflix documentary on YouTube using storytelling. Let me not read what's it. So you need target audience 16 to 40. Perhaps history has a wide range of audience. Students who are curious mind, documentary lovers, Africans who want history told, blah blah blah. So here are the first video ideas. So the first video idea, the African empire that was richer than Europe. So we copy the idea here, copy and paste. Now you tell ChatGPT that you want this idea, you want a script written for these ideas. It should have over 10,000 words and the video should be at least, listen, 10,000, sorry, at least 30 minutes long. Then boom, you send. So let's just cut it up here. So when you tell ChatGPT that, ChatGPT will generate your script for you, your perfect script. Now I'm gonna delete this. I just don't want to waste time. But just do, ChatGPT. You need to be good at using the prompts. And trust me, everybody gives their prompt, but then you can be just go there, tell ChatGPT you want him to help you with this, you want the thing to be like this, you want the speaking to be like. You don't need to get someone to give you a prompt and let me tell you one thing about using ChatGPT. You need to take your time and write the prompt. Be Write a single prompt as if you are forced to write a 5 minutes prompt. Like if you are using ChatGPT, one rule, spend 3 minutes on your prompt if you want it so accurate. So after you've written your prompt, let's say ChatGPT, I want 5 YouTube channel ideas. Now I want the channel to be more covered on history. It shouldn't be about African history, it should be about European history. The channel should be um a storytelling channel, slow pacing, natural reading, shouldn't use prompts are not supposed to be a tough thing, so no need to copy a prompt from someone's YouTube description and paste it in ChatGPT. You need to be unique here, all right? Now, well, after we are done, we want to go to Chrome, all right? I'm teaching you the secrets. Trust me, I got you, all right? You go to Chrome, I was on Daily Motion, and then you search for Google AI Studio, all right? Google AI Studio. You'll see Playground right there. And I want you to stay with me. Alright? So this is where we are going to generate the voiceover for free. No paying for 11 labs or any filthy voice generating anything. So when you come here, let me close my face now. Guys, relax, okay? Alright? Alright. Uh yeah. I wanna refresh the page. I lost my light. Alright. So this is a page. I want to send it to a desktop site. I feel like I don't know what's going on with me. So now when you get here, there's the script builder, and then you have speaker one, speaker two. The navigation is a bit tough with me, but then you click. Where do I even click? You just have to find your way out. Whatever it is, just make sure you switch. I don't know my why. Okay. So you just have to switch the speaker. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we have it's playground. We have speaker one, speaker two. So you on your when you open your screen, you just have to make it one speaker, and then when you are done with that, you paste your script. All right, I'm using my mobile phone, and I've switched the angle so I'm a bit suffering. Okay, let me turn the screen. I So guys, now that you click on these three dots, and then up here, all right, when you click on it, and then you switch from multiple speaker to single speaker, and then you tap anywhere to exit that window. Now here is where you would paste your script. All right, so the script would be anything. I love whatever. So all right, I don't know if my inner internal microphone is on. So now you can change the voice by clicking on the three dots, and then voice. So you press play, you listen to the voice. If you like it, you click on it, Corey, and there we go. Now you press on run. So at this moment, the whole oh my goodness thing is running, and you can see that after some time of running, we've got our audio. It's short 0.01. You click on the three dots and download, and there you go. You download your free audio on Google without paying for 11 labs. If you want, I'll dive deep into teaching you that. All right, so after that, now we want to generate a video. We are going to use Grok is completely for free. It generates 7 seconds video, and with the new updates, now you can generate up to 10 seconds. And with 7 seconds, I'll be honest with you, it was really, really powerful. So with 10 seconds, I think we are going to do something insane, something massive. All right, skip. I don't know how come I logged out of my account. Guys, you know how to use Grook, all right? So you go to Grook, okay, you go to Grook Imagine, all right? And then you enter your script. So you let ChatGPT generate the script for you. So tell ChatGPT to generate a scene by scene prompt. Guys, listen. You tell ChatGPT that it should generate a scene by scene prompt for your video. And then let ChatGPT know that you are going to generate the scene or the video clip with Grok. And then tell ChatGPT that you want this or that. So if it's heat, you want it to be cinematic, brownish coloring, brownish, and documentary style. So that's why all my mystery videos, you can see they are brown. Yeah, so you can go to mystery shots and search up and check them out. After you are done, you want to create a new YouTube channel. Forget about those gurus telling you need an old account, you need a VPN. It's bullshit. Create a new account. Tell GPT to generate the cover profile. If you are suffering with any of the designing concepts in terms of images, you can go to Canva, and then open Canva AI, and then tell Canva AI, I need a profile for this channel. I need it to be this. Canva AI will generate it for free. Download it, and boom, there you go. If you want thumbnails, you can use Pixels AI. You search it up, PIKELZ. Pixel. You can do audio Pixels AI. It's paid. It's not free. But if you want free thumbnail makers, you can use Grok image generation, or you could. They are horrible, to be honest. So in terms of the thumbnail generation, you can use there's this guys, for the next video I'm going to teach you the thumbnail generation, because I'll be honest with you, I could mention anything, but then it's the one I use. I want to go into details and teach you how to make the thumbnail step by step. So in episode 3, I'll teach you how to make the thumbnail step by step. So yeah, that's it for now. And yeah, the things you want to remember is ChatGPT for the script, for the channel, everything. ChatGPT should be like your manager. Talk to ChatGPT. Feel free. Tell him everything. Tell him you want the script of the video, That's the voice. So first you ask for the script of the video and you tell into bracket what I will say or the voice acting, and then you copy and then you punch into Google AI Studio for the voice generation, which is completely for free. You download a voice, you open your video editor. In short, you generate your clips. Make sure you tell ChatGPT to give you the scene generation prompt, what you use to generate the video. You open Grok, you go to Grok Imagine, you paste the scene one, you go and copy from ChatGPT, you paste. So if it's someone brushing their teeth and you're talking about that, ChatGPT will be like a kid brushing his teeth, camera far off, blah blah. You paste it in Grok, you download a video of the kid brushing his teeth, and then you open your video editor, CapCut, in short, you paste it, you paste all the scenes in order, and then you paste the audio. That's it. It's not hard. And then it will be like, once in a while, a kid was brushing his teeth. Scene one. Scene two will come all the way till the end. So this will take you less than 30 minutes to do. Post consistently. Consistency is key. Trust me. You need to be consistent. You need to post regularly to be successful on YouTube. Post Monday, post Tuesday, post Wednesday, post. Come on, be consistent. So I'm dropping all the 3 episodes in one day. This is episode 2. Episode 3, we learn about thumbnails. More episodes. I'm teaching you everything. Come on, let's go. See you guys.